Okay, so look, it's like he's got to do it all over again, right? 55. It's just going. He's just gonna keep going. Like super cool. I love it. Honestly, I don't have to do nothing. I don't have to do anything. Like I used to code, and yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot. Figuring out, why something isn't working, and even all of this. Like I can read this code, but I'm kind of like I'm remembering path. I can't remember what scenario I would use path for, but I'm reading this code and I'm like, would I know to create all of this code in this way? I need help. It's amazing, isn't it? Oh. Check the merch tab. Yes, we are cooking. We have the merch. Okay. Oh, I love this. Oh, would you like me to add, perhaps adding more streaming platforms? Well, what do you think about live performances? Because, yeah, I would say yes, add more streaming platforms and live performances. Let's go. Let's see how much we can really kind of like pump this up, right? Because version 2, I'm not gonna lie, is pretty effing good. So let's see. Yeah, it's like, okay. You know what? One day I'll have people in the live stream that I can chat to. At the moment, it's just me, but it's cool. What would be good though, if you want to see me create something, and maybe you can suggest other platforms. I'm using Canva at the moment because I'm still I want to see how many things I can create with it, and then I'll move on and like try other platforms, and see what they're capable of. I did something really cool in Bubble, created a whole platform in Bubble, you know. So yeah, this AI stuff is getting pretty sick. Does anyone know? Can you remind me, path? What is path for? I know it relates to, I think it relates to a file, but I'm not sure because there's no files here. So you know what? It just kind of like wants to keep going. So even here, it's saying, okay, let's add sync licensing for TV, film, or publishing royalties. But see, it would take me forever to do this. This might be a couple. This might be like a couple of weeks' work. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy. I love it though. It's amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's really cool. Okay. Okay. So it's getting these numbers from somewhere because I didn't give it any numbers for title. Um. So it does have really, well, it's AI. So it's trained off something. How long does it take to train these models? So I want to know, because my days. Okay. So it's getting these numbers from somewhere because I didn't give it any numbers for title. Um. So it does have really, well, it's AI. So it's trained off something. How long does it take to train these models? So I want to know, because my days.